In this video we're going to look to change the feed rollers on an LU202. So to begin, we're just going to take a little catch off here. Then we've got two screws, one here, one here. Another two screws. Then we can pull this bottom section out. So that's our bottom roller out. Now to get the upper rollers out, firstly, we want to take off the two white catches, one on either side. One here on the left, and then one here. Okay, to take the top section out, we're going to start by taking off the two white catches, one here on either side. Take one out on the left. One more catch. Now we're going to just move our brass holes just out of the way, which means we can lift this unit out nice and easily. So next we're just going to change the rollers. So on the bottom section we've got one white clip here on the right hand side. We have another one here on the left, and then we're just going to push through and lift up, and then we can take our roller off and pop it back on, and then we're just pushing that back into place, so, and then we can put our two white clips back on. On this, it's easier, I find it easier just to flip it over on top of itself. So then we're going to take brass bar off, ensuring that we keep everything in the order we take it off, so it makes it easier for putting it back on so we don't get confused. Alright, you can just lift, pop both off, and then we can easily just take our rollers off, replace them with our new ones.